Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video I actually wanna recreate a makeup look, but before that I wanna cover my acne. Okay, I wanna use this acne balm from Sembayu Tinggi to cover my jerawat dekat badan hidung. I have another one. Okay, so that is it. So I actually wanna recreate a makeup look. Jap, I show you guys this makeup look. If you guys can see, it's like purple eyeshadow with the cut crease like that. Okay, I wanna try. So bismillah. Let's see is it berjaya or not. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna do the full face makeup off camera, okay? Bye. So I'm done with the full face makeup. Mungkin tak nampak sangat, but yeah, I'm done. So next kita move on to the eyeshadow. Lagi sekali I wanna show you guys. This is the look. Okay, let's start today. I'm gonna use this makeup base from Orchid Flower from the Orchid Skin. Okay, I'm gonna use this makeup base as a primer of my eyeshadow. Let's take a bit. Time. Why is not focusing? Focus. Okay. So I will be using the eyeshadow number. So I'm gonna wear the lashes off camera. See you guys in a second. So my lashes is already. Next I nak pakai mascara untuk di mata bawah. this is the final look. Okay, let me see the picture. Is it like really? So this is the picture and this is my eyes. Okay, I think it's okay. I think my eyeshadow is okay. Cuma the cut crease tu should be like really nipis than what I did. Okay, but it's okay lah. At least I did. Okay, so I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video, or maybe you guys can comment down below what kind of makeup look or video that you want me to do, and please subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Mwah.